Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ng Politico 3 minutes ago. Mainit-init pa na balita. Just in, after distancing herself from coup rumors in the Senate, Senator Lauren Ligarda is reportedly poised to become the first female Senate President via Ayan Marlon Ramos. Story soon. Story soon. Kalala ko meron. Ito, breaking. Lauren Ligarda becomes the first female Senate President. Politiko. Tignan natin na kung may article na. Ito na yung matagal nating inaabangan. And now the end is near. Senator Soto, One Ball University law expert. Ito ang article. Ligarda poised to become the first female Senate President. Sources. So, wag muna kayong magbunyi. Wag muna kayong mag-blow out. Dahil sources pa lang ito. Kaya lang nabantayan ko itong Billionaire News, Politico, ang galing ng mga sources nila. Nauunahan nila ang balita. Okay. Marlon Ramos, after distancing herself from coup rumors in the Senate, Senator Ligarda is poised to become the first woman to lead the 24-member chamber. Billionaire News Channel has learned. At least two sources said Ligarda has already secured the 13 votes needed to replace Senate President Vicente Tito Soto III with the backing of the minority bloc led by Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano. Aside from the 9 senators in the minority, sources said, ito na, Senators Mark Villar, Camille Villar, Pia Cayetano, and GB Ejercito have also committed their support to Ligarda. Okay, so 9 plus 4 plus si Ligarda, di 14 na sila. Senators backing Ligarda were expected to formally declare their support during the Senate's regular plenary session on Wednesday. Ngayon, ano bang oras na? 2:43. Anong oras ba sila magano? Wow! And now the end is near. And so you face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I traveled it, and every highway, and more, much more than this. You did it your way. Kanta para kay Iskol Bukol. Regrets, you had a few, but then I know a few to mention. You did what you had to do, and saw it through without exception. Your plan, each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, you did it your way. Ay, nako, sa wakas, matutuloy na ba? Hindi pa tayo masyadong magsaya. Hintayin pa nating magbukas ang session ngayon. Ito yung naratibo kahapon ha. Sabi ni Jesus Palsis, itong DDS vlogger na abogado, Senator Amy and Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, nilapitan si Ligarda na inoferan na mag Senate President. Tinanggihan sila ni Ligarda. Ayaw ni Ligarda ang mga DDS. Yon, ang kay Palses na post. Pinak-check siya ni CG Hero ng Peanut Gallery Media Network. Wrong! Sabi ni Madam CG Hero, wrong! It was Ligarda who approached the minority. Mayroon ng enough numbers, but nagtatalo pa sila sa minority kung sino ang katanggap-tanggap nga maging Senate President. Okay? Katanggap-tanggap. Nagsalita naman si Senator Ping Lacson. Sabi ni Senator Ping Lacson, idinamay nyo ba si Senator Ligarda? That's malicious and sadistic. Ayan yung mga sabi naman ni Senator Soto, nakausap na daw niya si Senator Ligarda. At inamin ni Senator Ligarda na inofferan siya na maging Senate President. Ganun lang. Sabi pa ni Senator Soto na sulit kami. Baka nga madadagdagan pa kami ng isa o dalawa galing sa minority. Okay. So, kung matuloy ito, na ulitin ko, matitinik ang mga sources ng Billionaire News Channel o kay politiko. Nakakauna talaga sila. Ganito ang tingin ko. Si Senator Ligarda, opinion ko lang ito lumapit talaga siya. Kailang ayaw niya nga siya ang maging Senate President. Kasi nga parang self-serving. Kasi, according to, sino bang nagsabi ito? Ni Attorney Regal Oliva, yung DDS na vlogger. Itong si Senator Ligarda, napurnada na kasi ginigipit ng administrasyon ng kanyang anak. Lintek lang, walang gante. Ayan, lumapit siya. Kaya ayaw niya na maging Senate President. Meron siyang tinutos up na iba. Ang minority, ayaw namin dyan. Ayaw namin. Ikaw ang gusto namin. So finally, nakapag-decide si Ligarda. Ayoko sana Ay, hindi matutuloy yan. Sige na lang. Last minute, nag-decision Ligarda. Sige, tanggapin ko. Ganon yung nakikita ko. Kailang, opinion ko lang yan. Hintayin natin maya-maya pa kung matutuloy na ba.